For another market update. Well, a lot can happen in the space of one day, and as I've mentioned in previous videos, you could call me Nostradamus because it's happening. And the question I guess we've got to ask ourselves is, where do we buy back in? Where is the bottom on this thing? So I've just pulled up the charts and I'm having a browse, and man, Bitcoin is just loving these head and shoulders patterns at the minute. And now that we've broken through here, through this neckline here, how interesting would it be if it does respect this pattern here? So, you know, as mentioned in previous videos, you take that high down to the neckline and then drag it and bring it down just loosely, guys. No pedantic specifics to the micromillimeter here, but down here it sort of coincides with these previous tops back in July, and we're at the what 228 level. So, you know, potentially from a head and shoulders pattern, this thing could retrace the entire move that we've had back to these levels. And it's just a target, it's just an idea. So it would be interesting to see how this thing paints, really, to be honest. Whew, crazy times. So how's the panic levels? How's the fear levels? Are you guys buying in? Are you trying to catch this falling knife? It just smashed through this 3-3 level. I know a lot of people are buying around 3-3, 3-4, but I don't know about catching this falling knife, guys. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if it keeps falling. I've basically I had some money there to buy, and you know, watch this thing. And I pulled my orders. The bargain hunter in me would love to buy it a lot cheaper still, and I'm not going to try and anticipate catching a sharp blade between my precious palms. So I'm going to let this thing continue to fall. Who knows, we might bounce. We could look at the RSI, but at the moment, combined with a bit of China FUD, Jamie Dimon, with the context of all-time highs, yeah, I'm not going to try and time it just yet. So if we zoom out though and just sort of have a look from an Elliott point of view, where we are, so if we drag this thing out to a 12-hour time frame and try and gain some perspective, take out these little shoulders and get a little bit of a perspective on it. And here we go. So, you know, from an Elliott point of view, we could be painting a four wave. So if we just take it from here loosely, that was the move we had in, you know, July, August, before the big one. So that could just be one giant 3, and here we're coming down to a 4. Who knows how deep we'll go. Get a bit of momentum and then turn around and paint a 5. I think that's what's going to happen long term. I don't know how deep this thing's going to go, but I'm a believer in the technology. I'm a believer in everything in between. So at some stage, you know, the market ebbs and flows, it retraces, it goes again. It's going to do what's going to do in the meantime with all this news, and people are going to get caught up on it and trade all that noise. But if we just put a fib on this initial market here and get some targets. So yeah, bang on, wave 5, 6,500. Can we do it? Or am I just a crazy Bitcoin optimist? So here are my thoughts. Take them and leave them. Love them and like them. It's not advice, it's my opinion. Are you catching the falling knife? Whereabouts are you going to catch it? Where are you guys looking to buy? If it respects Elliott waves, I might look at buying it 28, 25, 28. But I tell you what, if it plunges through here, where's the next level of support? The basement. Until tomorrow, stay tuned.